This is cat treat. I don't know how much. This is cat treat. So go to the cat store if you want to buy this stuff. You also got this. The mouse that pours catnip. The catnip comes with the mice. So this is some treats. We gotta get some treats. Guys, watch. The treats will work. You need some. Go get it. Oh, well, there's a lot. I left 2 for him. He's eating them, guys. Hey, eat this one. Alright, guys. Oh, he's eating it. He's eating it. Alright, guys. I need to be right back. Also got this. This mouse is trying to escape from his cat. So we gotta put his cat in his butt. So guys, if your cat has fleas, you can buy this to get some fleas off him. Yes, fleas. Yes, I know you don't like. Get us fleas on you. That's why we bought this. Oh, cool.
I don't care. I'm gonna marry Dee. It's the end of the Jackson 5. No. It doesn't have to be. Dee won't cause trouble. She doesn't want to come in between me and my brothers.
Got this shampoo.
She doesn't want nothing but me.
It smells good, guys.
For nothing.
This is also shampoo. This is also shampoo. Also, shampoo.
Isn't true what he said. This won't break up the group or anything. Of course not. The only way out of here. New house don't make no difference. It's still the same inside.
Is it problem?
Stick to your guns, man.
So we need. We don't need no water. You don't need no water because this is waterless and cat shampoo.
It's the furthest thing from our mind.
What's that?
Make your minds playing tricks on you.
So, bringing pretty girls home and having your way with them, like.
No, I know I showed you guys this, but if you want this, oh! I just saw on his paw. But he's okay. So the ftcat, if you guys, this is a color. It tells you when he's moving. It has a bell.